Hi, I'm John McKay, President and CEO of the Mississippi Manufacturers Association, and I'm excited to invite you all to help us celebrate Manufacturing Week. As Governor Tate Reeves noted in his recent proclamation, manufacturing is the engine that drives Mississippi's economy, and we're excited to help tell the story of the thousands of individuals and companies around the state that make that happen. As you know, this year's events will look different than they have in the past. There won't be hundreds of middle schoolers and high schoolers going around the state visiting facilities to see for themselves what modern manufacturing is all about. But we have partnered with the National Association of Manufacturers and the Skills Foundation of Mississippi, among other organizations, to help bring that information directly to the students. As you know, right now is a critical time for manufacturing. As we've seen with the ongoing pandemic, critical supply chains as well as production capacity are not only an economic issue, but also a national security issue. We also know that there are thousands of jobs that are currently unfilled in manufacturing. This is largely due to a gap in the skills needed by the people to fill those jobs. So we need to use this opportunity and occasions like this to help fill that gap and to ensure that the goods and services that we depend on every day are fulfilled right here in our country. We all have a role to play in exposing the next generation of talent on exactly what modern manufacturing is all about. There's a persistent myth out there about some of the negative aspects of manufacturing that existed decades ago. We all know that the new, modern, high-tech manufacturing facility offers some of the most high-tech, high-paying careers that are available in Mississippi. So we all have a role to play in explaining that those careers are out there and how these individuals can get the training necessary to get those jobs. We have an incredibly talented workforce in this state that produce goods that are shipped all over the world. What we need to do is make sure that everyone knows that you can have a long and prosperous career in manufacturing, and we need to connect those people with the training necessary to get that job done. So again, we look forward to celebrating with you this week.